Today, Turkey is currently implementing several large-scale hydropower projects. In this discussion, we will focus on two of these projects. Let's begin with the construction of a hydroelectric dam on the Karachi River in the province of Artvin, located in the Black Sea region. Additionally, we will explore the remarkable feat of Turkish engineering in constructing the world's largest suspension bridge. The construction of the enormous hydroelectric power plant is nearly finished. Unfortunately, upon completion, the town of Yusufeli, situated 8 kilometers or 5 miles away from the dam under construction, will be submerged. Throughout history, people have constructed various structures to control the flow of water for agricultural purposes. However, the earlier dams were significantly smaller compared to the modern structures we witness today. These contemporary dams are truly remarkable achievements in engineering and technology. They consist of massive cement walls equipped with sluices and gates spanning across rivers. Furthermore, the height of the dam determines its reservoir's capacity, and the Yusufeli Dam will stand at a height of 270 meters, making it Turkey's tallest and the 7th highest dam in the world. This dam belongs to the concrete arch type in construction, commenced on December 21, 2012. The Yusufeli Dam is part of the larger Karachi River Development Plan, which includes the construction of 13 dams, 2 of which are already operational, and 2 are currently under construction. The primary purpose of the dam is to generate hydroelectric power, providing support to a 540-megawatt power plant. However, the dam is surrounded by controversy due to its predicted impact on biodiversity within its reservoir and the displacement of residents. Once operational, the hydroelectric power plant is expected to produce 1.9 billion kilowatt-hours with a total capacity of 558 megawatts, which will be sufficient to meet the energy needs of approximately 650,000 people. Additionally, a new hydropower dam has been built in the northeastern province of Artvin, which will contribute over $221 million annually to the economy. Turkish engineers entirely constructed this dam, located 70 kilometers or 44 miles southwest of Artvin. The Yusufeli Dam is a double-curved arch dam, towering at a height of 270 meters from the base and 223 meters from the lowest point of the river. It spans a crest length of 490 meters with a crest width of 15 meters. The construction required 4 million cubic meters of concrete, equivalent to the amount needed to build 50,000 houses. The crest of the dam will sit at an elevation of 715 meters above sea level, while the normal operating level of its reservoir will be at 710 meters, reaching a maximum of 712 meters and a minimum of 670 meters. The reservoir area covers 33 square kilometers and has a total storage capacity of 2 billion cubic meters, with 1 billion cubic meters designated as active or useful storage. The dam's spillway will be a spillway choke with a maximum capacity of 8,000 cubic meters. Furthermore, an underground power plant measuring 110 meters in length, 21.4 tenths of a meter in width, and 45.2 tenths of a meter in height will be incorporated within the dam structure. This power plant will house 3 Francis turbines with a vertical shaft, each generating 110 megawatts of power. The construction site has a specialized system employing a cable crane system to transport tons of construction equipment through the air. Final inspections of the dam are currently underway before it officially commences operations. This grand construction project showcases the Turkish people's capabilities and will significantly enhance the country's hydroelectric power generation capacity by 2%. Moving on to the second project, a major undertaking involved the construction of a bridge across the Dardanelles. The Dardanelles, a narrow strait connecting the Black Sea to the Mediterranean Sea, is of great importance for Turkey. Previously, only 3 bridges and 2 tunnels in Istanbul united the continents, resulting in substantial traffic congestion on land and water. In 1988, the Turkish authorities initiated the construction of a bridge to address this issue, but due to political and economic reasons, the project was halted in 1995. After more than 20 years, the Turkish government recommenced the project in 2016, with a local consortium of construction companies and 2 South Korean corporations securing the contract. Construction commenced in September 2017. The bridge's foundation involved loading piles to a depth of 40 meters with special waterproof supports capable of withstanding earthquakes. Each pile weighed a staggering 59,000 tons. The bridge's height reaches 318 meters, making the Tanakale 1915 bridge a contender for the title of the suspension bridge, with the largest average span worldwide. It boasts a total length of 4,608 meters, and each steel cable comprises 126 wires, forming the primary ropes of the Tanakale Bridge. Approximately 162,000 kilometers, or 100,000 miles, of wire and 296 steel cables, each 4,330 meters long, were utilized to construct the main cables. The length of wire used in the steel cables alone amounts to 40,000 kilometers, or about 25,000 miles, which is equivalent to 4 times the Earth's circumference. The bridge and highway construction project include 1 suspension bridge, 2 access viaducts, 4 reinforced concrete viaducts, 6 underground bridges, 38 overpasses, 5 bridges, 43 underpasses, and 115 culverts of varying sizes. Additionally, it encompasses 12 intersections, including the crossing on the National Highway, 4 road facilities, and 2 maintenance and operation centers. The Tanakale 1915 bridge stretches across 3,860 meters, with a distance of 223 meters between the 2 column towers. It features 6 lanes, 3 in each direction, making it the world's longest bridge of its kind. This bridge significantly reduces travel time between the 2 banks, allowing a 6-minute car journey instead of the previously required hour and a half. The bridge rests upon 2 bases, each measuring 333 meters in length. Furthermore, the height of its towers reaches 318 meters, surpassing the Eiffel Tower's height of 300 meters. The annual savings resulting from reduced fuel emissions will amount to $85 million, and the lower part of the roadbed sits approximately 70 meters above the water, facilitating the passage of large vessels beneath the bridge. The location of the bridge presents challenges such as high winds, seismic activity, and the navigation of multi-tiered container ships. To ensure the bridge's aerodynamic stability, a double-hull beam design was adopted. The design also took into consideration the risk of collision with ships, as large container ships and cruise ships pass beneath the bridge. The bridge's foundation and supports extended depths of -45 meters on the Asian coast and -37 meters on the European coast. Remarkably, this mega construction project was completed in just 4 years, with a total cost reaching €2.5 billion. The construction of the Tanakale 1915 bridge, which connects the European and Asian coasts of the Dardanelles for the first time, involved the participation of 5,100 individuals and the use of 740 units of construction equipment. The bridge will lead to an annual saving of €415 million solely in fuel emissions. Experts estimate that the positive economic impact of the bridge on the Turkish industry will amount to approximately €5.5 billion per year. The project will generate 118,000 jobs and contribute to a GDP increase of €2.4 billion. Moreover, the Tanakale 1915 bridge will serve as an alternative and shorter route from Istanbul to the southeastern regions of Turkey, promote international tourism, reduce delivery times for goods, and facilitate transportation between Asia and Europe. Consequently, trucks, tourist buses, and cars will no longer need to queue for ferries to cross the Dardanelles, ushering in new possibilities for travel and commerce. Feel free to share your thoughts on these impressive Turkish mega projects, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our previous videos. Goodbye.